This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Patricia Reykelly. This is a 2-bed, 2-bath condo. Features a golf view, private bathroom in each room, wall closet in master. Unit has a remodeled kitchen, a screened-in balcony, and laundry facilities on the same floor. No pets allow and non-smoking is permit in the unit is healthy environment. Rent including Wi-Fi, water, pool and amp, barbecue area, security entrance and building assigned parking and extra for guest. For more information, review the details below or contact Patricia Reykelly at 561-926-1663.